Look closely at the world around you. Pay attention to how people spend their days. The problem isn't intelligence, it's direction. Most people live on autopilot, reacting to notifications, habits, and short-term comfort instead of making deliberate decisions. That's why progress feels rare and success looks distant. The gap between average and exceptional isn't talent, it's sustained focus. 6 months of discipline is enough to create a permanent advantage. Here's the process. Phase 1. Reclaim your attention. Focus has become a luxury. Distractions are endless, and every interruption weakens your ability to execute. Remove social media from your phone. Silence notifications that don't serve your goals. Stop consuming information that doesn't improve your life. Mental clarity increases speed. Speed compounds results. Most people never protect their attention. That's why they never break away. Phase 2. Commit to one marketable skill. Scattered effort produces scattered outcomes. Choose a single skill the market already rewards: sales, coding, editing, copywriting, design, or fitness coaching. Ignore shortcuts. Avoid trend hopping. Depth always wins. Dedicate at least one focused hour every day. No exceptions. No bargaining. Consistency builds leverage. Leverage creates freedom. Phase 3. Design your daily structure. Motivation fades. Systems endure. Wake up at a consistent time. Train your body to sharpen your mind. Work in focus blocks without multitasking. Protect your sleep like an investment. Order multiplies energy. Chaos drains it. Control the day, and progress becomes predictable. Phase 4. Endure the quiet middle. This stage separates those who finish from those who quit. Growth here is subtle. Feedback is limited. Results remain invisible for longer than expected. Skill develops quietly. Confidence strengthens internally. Boredom convinces most people to stop. Those who continue gain an advantage that compounds. Mastery demands patience. Very few are willing to pay that price. Phase 5. Turn skill into opportunity. Ability without exposure stays unnoticed. Document your progress. Share your work publicly. Initiate conversations with people operating at a higher level. Rejection becomes familiar. Silence tests resolve. Obstacles sharpen discipline. Each attempt moves you forward. Momentum isn't built through approval. It's built through action taken repeatedly under uncertainty. 6 months will pass whether you act or not. Time never pauses. Most people will stay comfortable, distracted, and unchanged, not because they lack potential, but because they never commit long enough to see transformation. You don't need extraordinary talent. You need ordinary discipline, applied daily. And if you're serious about building focus, discipline, and a life ahead of the curve, subscribe. This channel is for people who refuse to stay average.